Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another makeup tutorial. I saw you guys comment that you wanted a drugstore makeup tutorial, so here we are. I just thought it would be easier to get all my products from one brand, so I did. All the products used in this video is from Makeup Revolution. I'm so happy with the outcome, as you can see. So if you want to get your face beat like mine, continue watching.
I know you messing with low lights. You know we run the show. She been single for her whole life. In the city, girl, she call it whole life. I'ma put you in your whole life. Maybe you gon' leave that whole life. You gon' leave the whole life. Baby, let me.
So first we're gonna start off by priming our face with the Revolution mattifying primer. Sorry, it's a bit dirty. I'm gonna put this much. And we're gonna rub that in.
You don't wanna be there when the 3/8 spins. Cock it.
Next we're gonna get our Revolution eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown, and we're gonna outline our brows.
Good, then that pussy get bland. If that up give mouth, then you have to get blam.
Up give talk, then you have to get blam. Blam, then we go and sit back. Kick back, have a little chit chat. Got a new brown skin thing, Kit Kat.
So we're gonna do the same on the other side.
He's an imposter. Big breast, no back, that's improper. Call me Big Daddy, call me Big Papa. Say she love my skin coffee like Costa. Oh, that he's an imposter. Big breast, no back, that's improper. Call me Big Daddy.
After filling in my brows, I get my Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C14. And using my brush from Amazon, we're just gonna conceal these brows. So I put a bit under my brow and I use the brush just to define it.
Put her in YSL because I'm a tropical, no SL. She said that you're typical with all your false promises, girl. Turn head round when me touch premises. Oh, that he's an imposter. Big breast, no back, that's improper. Call me Big Daddy, call me Big Papa. Say she love my skin coffee like Costa. Oh, that he's an imposter. Big breast, no back, that's improper. Call me Big Daddy, call me Big Papa. Say she love my skin coffee like Costa. When me step in the fed station,
I put on some more concealer just to cover the rest of my eyelids using the brush.
What's the situation? Y'all wanna play me like PlayStation.
And I do the same for this eye.
Out there trying to make peas and things. You don't wanna be there when the 3/8 spins. Cock it, bang, lock it, jam.
Free baddies on the ride, I'm stuck in damn with the cookie not If that pussy feel good, then that pussy get blam. If that up give mouth, then you have to get blam.
Up give talk, then you have to get blam. Blam, then we go and sit back. Kick back, have a little chit chat. Got a new brown skin thing, Kit Kat. She gave me the chance, so I gotta hit that.
Oh, that he's an imposter.
Next I get my Real Techniques Instapop shade brush and I just blend that all out.
Coffee like Costa. Oh, that he's an imposter. Big breast, no back, that's improper. Call me Big Daddy, call me Big Papa. Say she love my skin coffee like Costa. She said I'm handsome, you know, still attractive. Badness, you know. So
now to set the concealer, I use the Revolution setting powder in Terracotta and I'll put some in the lid. And using the same brush, I'm gonna dip some in, top off the excess, and just apply that everywhere we put concealer.
tropical, no SL. She said that you're typical with all your false promises, girl. Turn head round when me touch premises. Oh, that he's an imposter. Big breast, no back, that's improper. Call me Big Daddy, call me Big Papa. Say she love my skin coffee like Costa. Oh, that he's an imposter. Big breast, no back, that's improper. Call me Big Daddy, call me Big Papa. Say she love my skin coffee like Costa. When me step in the fed station, no information, no chance for cooperation. Have me tied up in litigation. What's the situation? Y'all wanna play me like PlayStation.
Next we're gonna apply some eyeliner, and to do this we're gonna use the Revolution Thick and Thin Liquid Eyeliner. This side is thick and this side is thin, and I'm going to use the thin side. And I'm going to start from the inner corner of my eye and work my way out for both eyes.
Out here trying to make peas and things. You don't wanna be there when the 3/8 spins. Cock it, bang, lock it, jam.
Free baddies on the ride, I'm stuck in damn with the cookie not If that pussy feel good, then that pussy get blam. If that up give mouth, then he have to get blam.
Up give talk, then you have to get blam. Blam, then we go and sit back. Kick back, have a little chit chat. Got a new brown skin thing, Kit Kat. She gave me the chance, so I gotta hit that.
Hold that, he's an imposter. Big breast, no back, that's improper. Call me big daddy, call me big papa.
So that's my eyeliner done. I do go back and forth with the eyeliner just because sometimes one side comes out a bit thicker and then you kind of got to fill the other one in, so I try to make them as even as possible. Next, for mascara, I'm going to be using the Revolution Big Lash Mascara. And we're just gonna apply some.
I need the club cause she on antics.
She kinda crazy like Tokyo.
I'm just gonna apply my eyelashes quickly, and yes, I do use hair bonding glue still. So I'm just gonna do that quickly.
No SL. She said that you're typical with all your false promises, girl.
So those are my lashes done, and now it is time for foundation. I have got with me the Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in the shade F16, and I'm just gonna apply that on my face.
Daddy call me Big Papa. Say she love my skin coffee like Costa. When me step in the fed station, no information.
And using my wet beauty blender, I'm gonna blend that all out.
What's the situation? Y'all want play me like PlayStation. Bet that beans at the gas station. Braddo vibes, but I'm start rooting. Oh, that he's an imposter. Big breast, no back, that's improper. Call me Big Daddy, call me Big Papa. Say she love my skin coffee like Costa. Oh, that he's an imposter. Big breast, no back, that's improper. Call me Big Daddy, call me Big Papa. Say she love my skin coffee like Costa.
Using my mini medium expert face brush, I'm gonna buff this all out.
Out here trying to make peas and things. You don't wanna be there when the 3/8 spins. Cock it, bang, lock it, jam.
Free baddies on the ride, I'm stuck in damn with the cookie not If that pussy feel good, then that pussy get...
Next, to conceal my face, I'll be going back in with the Revolution Concealer in C14, and I'm going to put this on my chin. Let me add a bit more on my chin, on top of my lip, and under my eyes.
Call me Big Daddy, call me Big Papa. Say she love my skin coffee like Costa. Oh, that is an imposter. Big breast, no back, that's...
And my nose.
Big Daddy, call me Big Papa. Say she love my skin coffee like Costa.
And using my beauty blender, I'm gonna blend that all out.
Badness, you know, so she fire match. She hold me for ransom, you know. Mad thing. Can't leave the club cause she on antics.
She kinda crazy like Tokyo. Is she Juliet? I ain't Romeo, but she ride on my ball like a rodeo. Gotta link me after church, she a holy
hoe. You know I'ma put her in YSL because I'm a tropical, no SL. She said that you're typical with all your false promises, girl. Turn head round when me touch premises. Oh, that he's an imposter. Big breast, no back, that's improper. Call me Big Daddy.
I'm gonna go back in again with the concealer and just put a little bit on the inner corners of my under eye, and this time using the Instapop shade brush, I'm gonna blend that out.
Step in the fed station, no information, no chance for cooperation. Have me tied up in litigation. What's the situation? Y'all want play me like PlayStation. Bet that beans at the gas station.
Using the same powder in the lids, I'm going to apply this everywhere we put concealer.
Out here trying tryna make peas and things. You don't wanna be there when the 3/8 spins. Cock it, bang, lock it, jam.
3 baddies on the ride, I'm stuck in damn with the cookie not If that pussy feel good, then that pussy get blam. If that up give mouth, then he have to get blam.
Up give talk, then he have to get blam. Blam, then we go and sit back. Kick back, have a little chit chat. Got a new brown skin thing, Kit Kat. She gave me the chance, so I gotta hit that.
Hold that, he's an imposter. Big breast, no back, that's improper. Call me Big Daddy, call me Big Papa. Say she love my skin coffee like Costa. Hold that, he's an imposter. Big breast, no back, that's improper. Call me Big Daddy, call me Big Papa. Say she love my skin coffee like Costa. She said I'm handsome, you know, still attractive. Badness, you know, so she fire match. She hold me for ransom, you know, mad thing. Can't leave the club cause she on antics.
She kinda crazy like Tokyo. If she Juliet, I ain't Romeo, but she...
So now that's done, I'm gonna get my mini medium expert face brush and buff that out.
YSL, because I'm a tropical, no SL. She said that you're typical with all your false promises, girl. Turn head round when me.
So next we're gonna be using one of my favorites to contour, and this is the Revolution foundation stick in F18. I'm gonna apply this on my cheeks and on my nose using the mini medium expert face brush. I'm gonna blend that all out.
No information, no chance for cooperation. Have me tied up in litigation. What's the situation? Y'all want play me like PlayStation. Bet that beans at the gas station. Braddo vibes, but I'm start rooting. Oh, that he's an imposter. Big breast, no back, that's improper. Call me Big Daddy, call me Big Papa. Say she love my skin coffee like Costa. Oh, that he's an imposter. Big breast, no back, that's improper.
I think I'm gonna add just a bit more and blend that out.
Out there tryna make peas and things. You don't wanna be there when the 3/8 spins. Cock it, bang, lock it, jam.
3 baddies on the ride, I'm stuck in damn with the cookie not If that pussy feel good, then that pussy get blam. If that up give mouth, then he have to get blam.
Up give talk, then he have to get blam. Blam, then we go and sit back. Kick back, have a little chit chat. Got a new brown skin thing, Kit Kat. She gave me the chance, so I gotta hit.
And just with the excess products that's left on the brush, I just apply that everywhere else, apart from under the eyes. Now using the Instapop shade brush, I'm going to blend out my nose contour, and I just blend it up and down really.
Say she love my skin coffee like Costa. She said I'm handsome, you know, still attractive. Badness, you know, so she fire match.
And I do drag it into my eyebrow crease.
Can't leave the club cause she on antics.
She kinda crazy like Tokyo. If she Juliet, I ain't Romeo, but she ride on my ball like a rodeo. Gotta link me after church, she a holy.
You know I'ma put her in YSL because I'm a tropical, no SL. She said that you're typical.
So now we're gonna go in with the Revolution Glow Bronzer in the shade Dark. I love this bronzer so much. It smells amazing. And we're just gonna go over our contour.
Skin coffee like Costa. Oh, that he's an imposter. Big breast, no back, that's improper. Call me Big Daddy, call me Big Papa. Say she love my skin coffee like Costa. When we step in the fed station, no information.
On the other side.
Have me tied up in litigation. What's the situation? Y'all want play me like PlayStation.
A bit on the nose contour.
Braddo vibes, but I'm start rooting.
And on the forehead.
Big breast, no back, that's
And what I like to do is I like to lightly pat this on my under eye, but not too much.
He's an imposter. Big breast, no back, that's improper. Call me Big Daddy, call me Big Papa. Say she love my skin coffee like Costa.
Look at that. Amazing. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Revolution gel eyeliner in black. And we're gonna line our waterline. Just get a little bit because this comes out a lot.
Bang, lock it, jam.
Free baddies in the ride, I'm stuck in damn with the cookie not If that pussy feel good, then that pussy get blam. If that up give mouth, then he have to get blam.
Up give talk, then he have to get blam. Blam, then we go and sit back, kick back, have a little chit chat. Got a new brown skin ting Kit Kat. She gave me the chance, so I gotta hit that.
Hold that, he's an imposter. Big breast, no back, that's improper.
Now that's done, we're onto our lips, and I'm gonna get our eyebrow pencil from Revolution again and just line my lips.
Breast, no back, that's improper. Call me Big Daddy, call me Big Papa. Say she love my skin coffee like Costa. She said I'm handsome, you know.
Next, I'm gonna get my lip gloss from Revolution, of course, in the shade Icon, and we're just gonna apply that in the center of our lips. I like to add a little bit and then add on as I go.
You gotta link me after church, she a holy.
You know I'ma put her in YSL because I'm a tropical, no SL. She said that you're typical with all your.
After that, we're gonna get our clear lip gloss, Revolution, of course, and we're gonna apply this on. My favorite bit, if you know me, I'm about to go crazy with this.
Oh, that he's an imposter. Big breast, no back, that's improper. Call me Big Daddy, call me Big Papa. Say she love my skin.
One more.
When we step in the Fed station.
Finally, to set the face, I'm getting the Revolution Cherry Truffle Fixing Spray. The smell is just amazing.
Y'all want play me like PlayStation. Bet that beans at the gas station.
So guys, my face is dry now and this is the finished look. Oh, I'm in love. Big up Revolution, because this is a look, and I literally got everything for under £70, which is very cheap if you think about it. All the items included for under £70. That is good. You see that bronzer though? I think that's my favourite. That bronzer is my life right now. I've been banging it out like I've never seen a bronzer before. Like, I love it so much. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And let me know what else you want to see from me. There's a more lighting each and every time.